So this is cabin 217 on the National Geographic Explorer, and I'll just go ahead and close the door here and kind of show you around. So coming in, plenty of space for jackets. We've been here for a week now, but we've managed to keep things pretty organized. Lots of space to keep your things. You can fully unpack. And then TV, desk area, even more cabinet space there. Really nice glass top here with book underneath. Spot for a chair and looking out the window. There's actually 2 windows in this cabin. You can see there's even stored all our junk there, but there's space for things next to the chair. So 2 windows, blackout shades plus a curtain, so really nice for traveling when there's almost 24 hours of daylight. Queen size bed, really comfortable. Space underneath the bed to store the suitcases and things like that, so that's been really nice. And then kind of one of the biggest bathrooms that I've seen on a ship. Here you can see into the fairly spacious shower there. Temperature control. And I'll kind of move around here to the other side of the bed. You can see kind of pretty spacious. This cabin is located just below the lounge, which is great for listening to presentations, recap. There's the bar there as well. And then the fitness center, spa, sort of sauna area is just 2 floors up, so literally outside the door and up the stairs. So really great location at the back of the ship. That's 217 on the National Geographic Explorer.